How to charge Samsung ES80 camera. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to properly charge your Samsung ES80 digital camera. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure your camera is powered on and ready to capture the moments. Step 1. Power off the camera. Before charging, make sure your camera is turned off. This helps the battery charge more efficiently and safely. Step 2. Connect the USB cable. Take the USB cable that came with your camera. Plug the smaller end, marked with an arrow, into the USB port on your camera. Step 3. Attach to the AC adapter. Connect the other end of the USB cable to the provided AC adapter. Then, plug the adapter into a standard wall outlet. Step 4. Check the status lamp. Observe the status lamp on your camera. A steady red light means the battery is charging. When the red light is turned off, charging is complete. If the red light blinks, there may be a charging error. Ensure the battery is inserted correctly and try again. Alternative: charging via computer. If you don't have access to the AC adapter, you can charge the camera by connecting it to a computer using the USB cable. Note that charging through the computer may take longer. And important tips: remember to use only the original Samsung AC adapter and USB cable to avoid potential charging issues. Also, avoid using the camera while it's charging to prevent overheating or incomplete charging. And that's it. You successfully learned how to charge your Samsung ES80 digital camera. Keeping your camera charged ensures you're always ready to capture life's special moments. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thank you.